Once upon a time, there was a small pharmacy in Atlanta, Georgia that sold a refreshing beverage made with a secret formula. This beverage was Coca-Cola, and little did the pharmacy's owner, John Pemberton, know that it would go on to become one of the most beloved and successful brands in the world. So what is the secret behind Coca-Cola's success? How have they managed to keep customers coming back for more for over a century? It all starts with their iconic brand image. Coca-Cola has been able to establish a strong emotional connection with its customers through its timeless logo, memorable advertising campaigns, and signature red and white color scheme. But it's not just about branding. Coca-Cola has also been able to innovate and adapt to changing consumer preferences over the years. From introducing Diet Coke and other low-calorie options, to expanding their product lines with drinks like Sprite and Fanta, Coca-Cola has always been ahead of the curve in terms of meeting the evolving needs and tastes of their customers. And let's not forget about the taste. Coca-Cola's secret formula is still a closely guarded trade secret, but there's no denying that the taste of Coca-Cola is one of the main reasons why customers keep coming back for more. It's a taste that's familiar and comforting, yet still manages to feel fresh and exciting with each sip. But perhaps the biggest secret to Coca-Cola's success is their commitment to building strong relationships with their customers. From their personalized marketing campaigns that speak directly to their customers, to their charitable initiatives and involvement in local communities, Coca-Cola has always prioritized the needs and interests of their customers above all else. So there you have it, the secret behind Coca-Cola's success is a combination of iconic branding, innovation, great taste, and a commitment to building strong relationships with their customers. It's a formula that has kept customers coming back for over a century, and one that will likely continue to do so for many more years to come. Here are 5 fun facts about Coca-Cola. Number 1. Coca-Cola was originally marketed as a medicine. When it was first invented, Coca-Cola was marketed as a cure for headaches, anxiety, and even impotence. The original formula contained extracts from the coca leaf and the cola nut, which were believed to have medicinal properties. Number 2. The first Coca-Cola was sold for only 5 cents. When Coca-Cola was first introduced in 1886, it was sold for just 5 cents per glass. This was a relatively expensive price for a soft drink at the time, but it was still affordable for most people. Number 3. Coca-Cola was the first soft drink consumed in space. In 1985, Coca-Cola became the first soft drink to be consumed in space. Astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Challenger took a can of Coca-Cola with them on their mission. Number 4. Coca-Cola owns more than 500 brands. Coca-Cola is not just a single brand of soft drink. The Coca-Cola Company owns more than 500 different brands, including Sprite, Fanta, Dasani, and Minute Maid. Number 5. Coca-Cola is the most recognized brand in the world. According to a survey by Interbrand, Coca-Cola is the most recognized brand in the world. The iconic Coca-Cola logo is instantly recognizable, and the brand has a presence in almost every country on Earth. And that, my friends, is the secret behind Coca-Cola's success. From its innovative marketing strategies to its unwavering commitment to quality, Coca-Cola has managed to maintain its position as one of the world's most beloved brands for more than a century. Whether you're a die-hard Coca-Cola fan or simply appreciate a good success story, there's no denying the impact that this iconic brand has had on the world of business and beyond. So the next time you take a sip of Coca-Cola, remember the countless hours of hard work and dedication that went into creating the perfect formula and building a brand that has stood the test of time. And who knows? Maybe one day you'll be able to create a success story of your own. Until then, keep on sipping and enjoying the simple pleasures in life that Coca-Cola and other great brands have to offer.